Okay, as you can see, the transom's all faired out. We're all set back here and all faired out. Everything's just kind of piled up as we're working our way. We've just finished the under ladder supports on both sides, so there's no deflection in the rail. As we go up, everything here is faired. Everything there is fit. So there was a step integrated to get up onto the console here. Looking forward, you see the pedestal for the console, which will lay right in here. The only other fabrications we have left are some extra gussets under the front stanchions here, and the lid for our fish box, and the door covering board that will be flipping over up back there. God willing, all of this will be happening in short order.